National Weather Statement for the following counties in Indiana: Adams, Jay, and Wells. Strong thunderstorms will impact southeastern Wells, southern Adams, and northeastern Jay counties through 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a cluster of strong thunderstorms over Berlin, moving southeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour and subside hail. Brief funnel clouds are possible. Source: radar indicator. Impact: gusty winds knock down students and roll around unsecured objects. Minor hail damage to vegetation is possible. Locations impacted include Portland, Bern, Geneva, Monroe, Westchester, Bryan, Veracruz, Trinity, Ceylon, Reedsburg, Lynn Grove, Domestic, and New Corridon. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. Weak, brief funnel clouds are possible. This type of funnel cloud is harmless, but on rare occasions they can briefly touch down, producing wind gusts over 50 miles per hour. If a funnel cloud is spotted, move indoors and report your sighting to the National Weather Service. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.